Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Living the Moments. Today we are in Rotterdam and we are going to explore it. And today's video is hosted by my sister-in-law Pratiksha.
Hello everyone. So today we are at Netherlands' second largest city, which is also known as the architectural capital of Netherlands. This city is mostly known for its bold and modern architecture, and this city is known as Rotterdam. So let's get started to exploring it. It also known as Manhattan on the Mars, which means thanks to its impressive skyline and high-rise buildings. Fun fact, it is the only station in Netherlands which is named as Central Station and not as the Rotterdam Station. This port city in west of Netherlands has image of working class and has diverse population. After walking around the 20 minutes from Central Station, we reached to our first spot. So we started exploring Rotterdam city from one of the most popular spot, Cubicle House. Let me tell you how it is so popular. So it is built by Dutch artists and this structure is literally placed at 45-degree angle. So this structure is one of the most unique structure around the world. This architecture represents abstract forest and each pointed roof represents a tree. As long as you counted, there are 110 houses, cubicle houses present here. So out of this, house number 70, you can visit there. So the cost for each person visiting is 3 euro per person, and for adult it is 2.5 euro. Timing to visit this cubicle house is from 11 am to 5 pm. After seeing the beautiful cubicle houses, now let's move to the next spot, which is in front of these cubicle houses. Market Hall is a residential and office building with market hall under it. It has 15 food shops and 8 restaurants. It has huge psychedelic artwork on the inner wall featuring colorful fruits, grains and vegetables. So if you have interest in food and architecture, then it is a good reason to give this city visit. Here you will find all in one roof. Shopping at Market Hall is an experience where you can also settle down for delicious food and shopping. In this modern city, you can also come across certain robots. This is open between 10 am to 8 pm. Now we reached to it is a Witshop. It is the most popular and entertainment street in Rotterdam. Now you can find here many art museums, street arts and cafes, restaurants and many more. Actually, some part of Rotterdam was destroyed during the World War II, so you will find here the combination of ancient and modern buildings. While strolling, we came across a wall which was painted with comic pictures of all the major attractions of the Rotterdam city. Just wow, because we are at Erasmus Bridge. This bridge is similar to one of the bridges in India. Can you relate this? So if you are able to find, just comment in the comment section. This bridge is 803 meter long, which connects to the north and south part of the city. Also, it is one of the most important landmark of the Rotterdam, and it is the part of official logo of this city. Hope you are enjoying our Rotterdam city tour. After the long walk, it's time to rest now. So in front of this beach, we have this windmill-like sitting structure. So let's go there. Let's relax. So along with this, there are few more activities in the Rotterdam. So there is the Euromast Tower, which is the highest tower in Netherlands. You can also visit there and enjoy the spectacular view of this city. It's getting late now, so we are going to our return journey.
Hope you guys enjoyed our today's video hosted by our new vlogger Pratiksha. If you like this video, do like, comment and subscribe our channel and stay connected for our upcoming videos.